Okay. Finish it off with our brass punch here. Small wire. Alright. Okay, picking you up. So, the final set we did with it's a 22 millimeter deep well impact socket. It fits that very well. That was our final set. The aluminum helps you to transition the seal over the square edges of the crank without prolapsing the seal. That seal is $9 for the OEM unit from STIHL, which is what that is. The other side, the flywheel side, is easy. You don't have to do the Coke can trick or business card, either one. It's very easy to do. You just slip it in, bump it in place, and make it flush. So there's our crankcase assembly. Hope you learned a little bit from it. If not, thank you for watching anyway. If I can help you, you need help, ask in the comments, and we'll carry on with this build. Thank you very much for watching.